Whether you are a content creator or working from home, a comfortable and functional setup is a must. By setting up your home office in a way that is comfortable and healthy for you, you can help reduce the risk of back pain and improve your overall comfort and productivity. Hey YouTube family, welcome to my channel Decorate with Manas. How are you? Now, I generally share videos on home decor and DIY, so this is a slightly different kind of a video. Today, I'm going to be giving you a detailed tour of my home office setup, basically how I've arranged my desk to create a simple yet productive environment for my work. This setup is going to be simple yet productive and efficient. Let's start with my desk. This table is from a brand called White Mulberry and is in this stunning matte black color. The finishing of the table is really good and the build quality is also extremely sturdy with metallic legs. Now this table is available in two more colors, but I chose the matte black because it goes really well with the theme of my room, which by the way is the second bedroom, the guest bedroom of my apartment, which I also use as my home office. This room has a lot of black accents and so this table fits right in. It has a really sleek design, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. And I think it would fit really well in most of our compact Indian homes. This table is a sit and stand work desk and I'm absolutely loving it because the height can be adjusted anytime using the manual lever. For my individual work, I prefer sitting and working because it helps me focus better. And then I switch to the standing position for all my meetings. This helps me remain active throughout the day and also helps me complete my step count.
The agenda.
Earlier, I used to have a stiff back, but after switching to this style of working, my back already feels so much better. If you are looking for a really nice table, I would highly recommend this one. It's available on Amazon and I will add the link in the description. A detailed review of this table is also coming soon on my channel, so please stay tuned. Next, let's talk about my chair. It's from the brand Featherlight and it's a very comfortable ergonomic chair. It has an inbuilt lumbar support to maintain the S curve of the back while sitting and working and has a really comfortable foam seat. I'm really enjoying this chair and it looks very stylish with its monotone grey color. Like most ergonomic chairs, everything is adjustable in this chair as well, so no surprises there. But one thing unique about this chair is that the depth of the chair pad can also be adjusted, which is great for short people like me to lean all the way back and get the best support. Moving on to the desk setup, I have this desk mat from the brand Tyzone and it really helps me define my work area and also adds a nice pop of color. A desk mat is a must to protect your desk from any scratches from the laptop, keyboard or the mouse movements. The laptop I use is a 14-inch MacBook Pro. It's a 2019 model and still works great for video editing. Now I place my laptop on this metal stand. Why? Because it elevates the laptop screen up to my eye level. This again really helps me in keeping my back straight and not hunch my back to look down at the screen. This stand is from the brand Portronics and has a really smart foldable design. It is very sturdy but yet lightweight, so it's extremely easy to carry around. The next important accessory is my wireless keyboard. Since the laptop's keyboard is on an angle, I use this to keep my arms flat on the table. It's from the brand Logitech and I bought it on Amazon because it had amazing reviews. It pairs effortlessly with my MacBook Pro and is extremely lightweight and handy. What I love about it is, it directly connects via the Bluetooth of my MacBook Pro and doesn't require a USB receiver, which is very convenient. Moving on to the mouse, I use Apple's Magic Mouse. It was really expensive, but honestly the ergonomics are pretty bad. Sure, it looks pretty cool, but it's not comfortable on the wrist and I would not recommend buying this mouse in 2023. So guys, please help me out. If you know any good wireless mouses, please let me know in the comments. I could really use those suggestions right now. Thank you in advance. The only other thing worth mentioning is my AirPods, which I keep in this very cute box. I am obsessed with little carry bags and pouches, so whenever I find an opportunity, I keep things in those. This way, they remain protected and especially white cables don't start looking dirty. And they also have a tiny little home for themselves, which is so cute. Aww. I have not kept any decorative items like plants etc. on my table because I feel it's not necessary and it adds clutter. But I do have these cute plants kept on my windowsill for me to enjoy their beauty without cluttering my desk area. Please let me know in the comments which accessory is your favorite. I love reading your comments. In terms of placement, I have kept the desk facing towards a window. 2 reasons. First, so that there's natural light on my face and I appear bright in my online meetings. Second, after a session of 20-30 minutes, I can look at the beautiful view from the window and relax my eyes. I have a dry eye issue and looking at a distant object every 20 minutes was actually recommended to me by my eye doctor to help with that. And additionally, it also helps me clear up my mind so I'm able to think clearer and be more productive overall. Look at these cuties! Love! On the left side of the table, I have this gallery wall which looks really beautiful as a background on my Zoom calls. Most of the artwork that you see here is DIYs, created by none other than yours truly. Looks beautiful, isn't it? My favorite one is this one, which is basically made from running a jute rope on an empty frame. On this, I display all the badges that I've collected over the years and now it looks like an art piece. Functional and beautiful at the same time. Now, in case I need extra lighting on my face in case I'm hosting a live session or there's an important meeting, I use my ring light to light up my face. It has adjustable brightness, so I can set it for day and night accordingly. And so, it works great for my evening calls as well. Yeah, you're right. Actually, I will share that. Since I create content for YouTube, I already had a ring light. But I would still recommend a ring light for everyone to light up their workspace. It is such a versatile piece of equipment. You can adjust the angle, the height, the intensity, everything. So I change the angle and use it as a study lamp as well. And a ring light creates a very soft, diffused light which is very easy on the eyes. One thing that I wanted to touch upon is that this setup is extremely portable. Literally, my entire setup fits in my bag and I can work from anywhere without compromising on the ergonomics and comfort. And I have worked from my friends' homes, my parents' home, cafes in the past 2-3 years, so it was really handy. Hope you guys liked my video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I share videos on home decor, DIY and home organization. I keep my videos very simple, very practical, so do subscribe to my channel to get notified about the new videos that I share. With that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!